Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in the Google Pay app, open it and sign in to the exact account holding the extra UPI ID. Tap your profile icon at the top right, then choose Payments Methods or Bank Accounts so you see linked VPA entries. This matters because Google Pay shows UPI ID per bank link. If you skip verifying which bank holds that VPA, you might remove the wrong one. Once you see the list, note the exact UPI ID and the bank name before moving to removal. Now select the bank or specific UPI entry you want to remove and tap Manage or the three-dot menu to reveal options. Choose Remove, Unlink, or Delete UPI ID and confirm using your Google Pay lock, fingerprint, or Upi PIN. This step protects your money and identity. Once removed, the VPA won't receive payments from this account. If you have multiple unwanted VPAs, repeat the process. Make sure to keep one primary UPI ID active for payments and autopay verification. Finish by verifying that the UPI ID is gone. Check the linked VPAs list or send a small test to your primary ID to confirm routing. If the removed ID still appears, clear Google Pay cache, update the app, or sign out and sign back in to force a refresh, because sync delays can show stale entries. If deletion repeatedly fails, contact your bank to unlink the VPA server side or reach Google Pay support. This resolves stuck VPAs or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.